So a geometric series has first term a and common ratio r. So we have to find the expression for sum of n terms of a geometric series. See, the geometric series sum Sn can be written as sum of n terms. The first term plus we go on multiplying by common ratio, right? To get the next term in GP. So next will be AR square, next will be AR cube, and likewise this will go on AR4, and another term will be AR to power n minus 1, and just before AR to power n minus 1 we will have AR to power n minus 2, and then I will have AR to power n minus 1, right? This would means the power of R is increasing continuously by 1. So to get this expression, we can multiply this equation, say equation 1, by R, both sides. So the left side comes R into Sn is equal to, I'll multiply A by R, so it will become AR. And I will write it slightly to the right of this, means just below the AR. So A multiplied with R became AR, I wrote it here. AR multiplied with R became AR square. It is written here, okay, obviously this way. And AR square multiplied with R, we get AR cube, and this process will continue. See, when we multiply this term by R, this becomes, so all these terms will be there, this becomes AR to power n minus 1, n minus 2 into R power become 1 more, n minus 2 plus 1, right? And then finally, when you multiply this last term by R, this will become, let's slightly shift it. So this will become AR to power n, n minus 1 into R. So it's very clear, right? So what happens when we subtract these expressions? See, the first one is Sn minus R Sn, Sn minus R into Sn. Now these all sign will change. Just subtract these terms and they will get cancelled. AR cancelled, AR square, AR cube. All the intermediate terms gets cancelled. We are left with A, and we are left with AR to power. And now this can be solved for Sn because we can take Sn common here. 1 minus R is equal to A common, and after taking A common we'll get 1 minus R to power n. It is like this: Sn 1 minus R equal to A 1 minus R to power n. Now Sn will be A 1 minus R to power n divided by 1 minus R. That's what they asked us to prove, okay? The very first part. In the second part, if you could see, they were asking about, okay, let's see, find the value of the common ratio. Now the common ratio, the second term of geometric series is minus 3 to 0. Let us write it here. Second term means A2. So A2 will be, 1 second, we need to fix it a little bit, okay. So the second term is given. Second term is of geometric expression would be AR. So AR is given minus 3 to 0. And the fifth term would be AR to power 4. That we know because another term of geometric expression is given by AR to power n minus 1. So this is 512 divided by 25. So out of these two expressions, if we divide AR4 by AR, left hand side. So this become 512 by 25, and this divided by minus 320. So here see A and A cancel, R and R4, it becomes R cube. So we get R to power 3. Now this number here, it's like A by B by C by D. So this thing 320 by 1 we can write, right? And this 1 goes up. So it's like 512 by 25 into 1 by 320. And now this number can be cancelled. 32 and 512. This number would be, yeah, you can cross it out. 32 and 512 can be cancelled. Yes, this is 2 to power 5, right? So this value, and this is 2 to power 9. So 2 to power 6, 2 to power 3. So basically this will come 8 by, when you cross it out, it will come 8 by 125, which can be written by 2 by 5 cube. Okay, so R cube is equal to 2 by 5 cube. This will give us R is equal to 2 by, so common ratio is 2 by 5. This is the second part, right? What is the value of common ratio? So this is the B part is answered. Hence the sum of first 13 term of series giving you an answer 2 place of correct. Sum of 13 term means you have to find S13. So you have R, you have A. Okay, what is the first term? We can find A also because AR is minus 320. So R is 2 by 5 and AR is minus 320. This means A into 2 by 5 is equal to minus 320. So A would be minus 320 into 5 divided by 2. Okay. So 160, I think 160 minus 800. So A comes out to be minus 800. Now, if A is minus 800 and R is 2 by 3, we are asked C part now. Let's focus on the C part. It's sum of 13 term, I guess. Yes, they ask the sum of, find the sum of 13 terms. So it's very simple. S13 you have to find. You have the formula for Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to power n divided by 1 minus R. You can put minus 800. S13 they ask, so let us write first S13 here. S13 is equal to minus 800, 1 minus 2 by 5 to power 13 divided by 1 minus 2 by 5. So this thing can be calculated, right? And we can, using calculator, we can find this value and we can write up to correct 2 place of decimal. That would be the sum of 13 term of the geometric series.